This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination on the Thorium Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium Web Browser opened up now. To change your default download destination in Thorium, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Downloads. Click on Downloads. Then on the center pane, it says right here, Location. It tells you what your current download location is right here, but there is a button off to the right-hand side, Change button. If you want to change that, click on Change. It brings up a little dialog box. You could select a different location. I'm going to select my desktop. I'm going to click on Select Folder. And as you can see, now my download destination is the desktop. That is how to change your default download destination on the Thorium Web Browser. Thanks for watching.